स्वागत है आपका। तो हम आज के टॉपिक में जानेंगे कि हाउ BLDC मोटर वर्क्स। सो व्हाट इज द BLDC मोटर? BLDC स्टैंड फॉर BLDC brushless direct current motor। So BLDC is nothing but the brushless direct current motor। So what is the advantage of BLDC मोटर? तो देखिए BLDC मोटर का एडवांटेज ये है कि इसके अंदर there is no any physical contact like commutator and brush, or we can say slip ring or brush। So that's why there is no any wear and tear, and there is an absence of friction between to this element। So that's why the efficiency of BLDC motor is tremendously high। So are you getting point? यहाँ पे जो हमारा स्टेटर और रोटर है इसके अंदर कोई फ्रिक्शन नहीं है, तो इसीलिए इसका जो एफिशिएंसी है वो काफी हाई है, और इसमें लॉसेस निग्लिजिबल लॉसेस है, नियर अबाउट निग्लिजिबल। सो अगर हम एप्लीकेशन की बात करें तो व्हाट इज द एप्लीकेशन फॉर BLDC मोटर? सो BLDC मोटर का एप्लीकेशन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में हम ये देख रहे हैं कि ड्रोन या फिर कोई कॉप्टर हो गया, उसके अंदर इसका इस्तेमाल शुरू है BLDC मोटर का। सो हम प्रैक्टिकली जानेंगे कि BLDC मोटर का जो ड्राइवर है ये कैसा काम करता है, और उसका जो ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर है, फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर, वो जानेंगे। सो I am NW Manohar from TGRL Donald PKC Worldwide, any autonomous educational and research and development organization। So अगर for example shaft, not shaft, motor shaft, और ये रहेगा हमारा रोटर, और ये रहेगा हमारा स्टेटर। तो देखिए रोटर और स्टेटर, here what is the meaning of stator? Stator is the any rotating part, stator is the any fixed part, and rotor is the any rotary part। So any motor consists of two parts, stator or rotor, or we can say armature and field is the physical component in which line of forces create with the help of passing the DC power, or we can say DC current। So इसके अंदर जो ये रहेगा, इसके अंदर वाइंडिंग वगैरह रहेंगी, और वाइंडिंग वगैरह रहने के बाद में यहाँ पे हमने विद द हेल्प ऑफ ड्राइवर, एज वी नो, इफ I can show you the image of DC motor। सो डीसी मोटर के अंदर वाइंडिंग रहती है पर्टिकुलर, और वो वाइंडिंग ही हमारा फील्ड प्रोड्यूस करती है, और जब वो फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होती है तब जाके हमारा लाइन ऑफ फोर्सेस कट होता है. आई थिंक सो वी नीड टू ड्रिंक वाटर. व्हाट इज द ड्यूरेशन? One important message I want to share with you, that is if you are resident in Maharashtra or any district of the Maharashtra, then you can take our assistant for the project, your last end year project. So whatever you have studied, if you are the student of diploma in any kind of field like mechanical, civil, electrical or any kind of, then you can take our assistant for your project. We will definitely guide you for your project. Our expertise in electronics, electrical, or we can say computer and aeronautical, or drone or robotics. So these are our expertise field for the assistant of your end semester, or we can say end year project for your diploma level or bachelor degree level or postgraduate degree level in engineering. In whatever you are in a private or you are in government institute, you can definitely call us for your project assistant. Please note this contact number for the project assistant: 9890 59 4418. So that is the official number for TGRL Donut. TGRL Donut, Technological Knowledge City and worldwide. Any city across the Maharashtra like Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, Aurangabad, Jalgaon, or we can say Akola, Amravati, any city, you can simply call on this number, and we are ready to provide assistant in your project for the end year. Our expertise in electrical, electronics, mechanical or computer. So today's topic is brushless direct current motor, or we can say BLDC motor. BLDC motor. Worldwide. So you you can call us for your project, or if any want to join for the internship in our organization, then definitely you can call us. Our organization is situated in Amravati district, Maharashtra. So क्या आपको लगता है कि हमने 50% हिंदी और 50% इंग्लिश का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए? अगर आपको लगता होगा तो प्लीज कमेंट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, राइट 50% हिंदी, 50% English. So if you write maximum quantity 50-50 Hindi and English, then definitely we are going to use 50% Hindi and 50% English. So I think so. So we are going to teach how BLDC motor work and controller also. What is the role of controller in the BLDC motor? So I think so. BLDC motor is a category of special purpose motor. That is the special purpose motor. Three types of motor: AC motor, DC motor, and special application motor. If I write on the blackboard, or sorry, we can say whiteboard, that is the alternating current motor, and the second one is direct current motor, and the third one is special application. We can say application or purpose. Special application purpose motor. So these are the three motors. So our BLDC motor is the category of special application or purpose motor, as we know all. Then servo motor is the part of the special application or purpose motor. So these are the special application purpose motor. So here is the diagram. There is a shaft, and this shaft is mounted on the stator, or not stator, this is the rotor. देखिए ये जो शाफ्ट है, ये शाफ्ट हमारा ये जो पार्ट है, इसके ऊपर ये माउंट किया गया है. ओके, सो you have to understand for this concept. Definitely we are going to show you how it looks like BLDC motor. So one important note I want to share with you, that is the last date for the regular entry at TGRL Donut TKC worldwide is 25th July 2022. Definitely you should enroll your name within 25th July 2022. और एक इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज ये देना चाहूंगा कि नियर अबाउट जो भी अमरावती सिटी के आजू बाजू वाले जो स्टूडेंट है, उनके लिए फ्री सोलर ट्रेनिंग non-residential 30 days. 30 दिन का फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट सोलर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम आपके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है. That is definitely organized by TGRL Donut TKC worldwide. Or any person can enroll in this free 30 days solar training non-residential program. At Amravati city, अमरावती सिटी। तो यहाँ पे एमएस लिखने की क्यों जरूरत गिरी? क्योंकि देखिए एक उत्तर प्रदेश में भी एक अमरावती है, so that is the only the difference between that UP Amravati and here Maharashtra Amravati is only A is present after yum. A is present after yum. So that is the any minor difference between UP Amravati and Maharashtra Amravati. So these are the official contact number. You can call between 10 AM to 5 PM except Sunday, and also yes, only Sunday. So today's topic is brushless DC motor, that is the BLDC motor. There is a types of motor. We can write here types of motors. You can note this information. Types of motors. There is 3 types of motor: alternating current motor, direct current motor, special application purpose motor. Here is the diagram. Diagram of BLDC motor. Please, all viewers or student or professional, please rate me for my improvement of performance. Why? Please, all viewers, please rate me between 1 to 10. If you rate me 1, then my teaching is outstanding and too much convenient for the transformation of knowledge between me to viewers. If you rate 10, then that is the meaning of my transformation of knowledge from me to viewers is too much poor. इसका मतलब अगर आपने 10 अगर लिखा कमेंट्स में, then definitely I want to improve myself more and more, because I got 10 only. I am not topper, I am not first, I am the 10, means I am loser for delivering my content in a very efficient manner. So all viewers, thanks for listening me too much carefully. I hope you enjoy this valuable content for the learning purpose. That was the topic of BLDC motor, that is the special application motors. So all viewers, thanks for watching me very carefully. That is, I am from the TGRL donor TKC Worldwide, and myself is NW Manohar for watching me. Thanks a lot again. We will meet very soon. Thanks a lot.